Jai Srimanarayana. Priya Bhagavad Bhanto. Currently I am at Kapila Tirtham, also known as Kapila Maharshi Tirtham. Having a holy bath in this Kapila Tirtham washes away all our sins. You can see sacred waterfalls. In this Ravana Masa, now here completely feel like cool breeze and pure spiritual energy. If you are coming to Tirupati, don't miss this spot. Jai Srimanarayana.